Now we're going to find the instantaneous rate of change for this function, x squared minus 2x, at a point when x is equal to 0. So we know our derivative rule, and that is a polynomial, so f of x is equal to k, which is just an integer, x to the n, which is another integer. So then our derivative f prime of x is going to be equal to k n x to the n minus 1. Now let's find our derivative. So our f prime of x is going to be equal to, well, the x squared is, that 2 is going to come down, so it's just going to be 2x, and the 2 minus 1 is going to be 1, and we just have to leave that there. Now we will minus the 2, and the x to the 1 becomes x to the 0, which is equal to 1. So that's our derivative of our original function. So our instantaneous rate of change at when x is equal to 0. So we just plug in our x is equal to 0 into the equation. So 2 times 0 minus 2. Well, the 2 times 0 is just going to disappear, so we've just got equal to minus 2. This means that the instantaneous rate of change when x is equal to 0 is minus 2. So what does this look like? So our graph here shows us the function, and we solve for the derivative, and what we're doing is looking at that point when x is equal to 0, that point here. So our derivative of the function, which was f prime of x, is going to be equal to 2x minus 2, and our f prime of 0 is equal to minus 2. Well, when we look at our function, we can see here that the minus 2 value here refers to that the slope is moving in a negative direction, and its rate of change is that of a negative 2.